Welcome back, guys. Let's talk about a POL. Polygon, Matic, previous ticker Matic. I would like to remind you the global targets. For me personally, it's $1.68, $1.93. For Matic, I don't think so. The Matic will reach new all-time high, but if we will reach, it's $4.05. Unfortunately, this chart stopped supported since October 75. But if you would like to double check the global chart of POL, Polygon, I'll recommend you use the Matic USD crypto. It's since April 19 to understand how it looks like in previous one, to understand the levels, to understand the zone. So 24 cents and 5 cents. It's a main accumulation zone for the Matic, for Polygon. Now it's ticker POL. But we can't now analyze, with the global indicators data on the weekly time frame, because for example weekly time frame not available now for take profit indicator if we check on the Binance, for example, because since September 24 it's rebranded, and it's not enough data for weekly time frame analysis for some indicators. That's why if you want to know the global targets, always recommended to double check the Matic USD and find out the levels. Also, you can find some liquidity pools, some gaps weekly, monthly, because here is not enough data. But anyway, we can work with the local zones, and on the daily time frame, we already dumped it on October 10 to fundamental value. Now we hold the line at the buy line, bounce it, retest of the buy line on the daily. It can be 9 cents 87. So you remember 24 and 5 cents. It was the main accumulation zone. So we stop it at 9.90, but fundamental value of POL now it's 7 cents 34. Honestly, I don't think so. We're gonna drop that low now. Maybe in the future, yes, but not now. Take profit line on the daily, it's 1961. Exit line 2208. So it's more than real to see these levels really soon. And at take profit line, even on the 12 time frame, and the exit line on the 12 time frame, 1769 and 1574, it's more than okay to fix some profit if you open a position here, for example, a leverage position, and wait some pullback. The main, of course, crazy levels, it's a break of structure of this one, 25.35. So if we want to talk about a main continuation of the, not a continuation, we're not even start. If we want to talk about a break of structure, we need to break at least 25.35. So this is it. We can close the take profit indicator, ADZ direction. All this same period, it was an accumulation. Like you can see, we dump even under the week. So many token stop it around here, for example. But POL dump it easily even under the week. So now it's not a distribution, even after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 6, 7 days. We in an uptrend. Now it's still not a crazy distribution based on ADZ on a daily. All this periods accumulation. So I think, yes, a lot of people are so skeptical about POL, but like speculation, like any other token, I guess the POL will reach the main targets. For me personally, what I don't like we not come back to, if this is an impulse, at least we can come back to 1161. This one, 1119. I'm gonna add notification here, just a basic notification by price. Maybe at this area I will try to open some long position with the futures trades. Direction, no distribution signals yet, even on a 12 time frame. So technically it's good. Market mode, it's A3 on a 12 time frame daily. It was a capitulation. Now it's some like a hope, some positive. Weekly, we're in a total disbelief, depression zone since September 25. So definitely it's not a free and not a time to sell. Locally, yes, of course, I don't like this order flow, like impulse, and we need to see the correction pull back to 0.5 maybe level. So this level I added for potential long position. Where to add a stop loss, for example, we can add under this level. So 4%, 8% with the second leverage. Makes sense. With the target, of course, target is over than 25 cents, break of structure. Money power, 4-hour time frame, like you can see, the people who trade a leverage just start fix a profit, money outflow. Money outflow was here 1, 2, 2 candles, 12 time frame money outflow. Now daily also 1, 2, 3 days in a row. The big guys fix a profit. So be careful. Weekly only accumulation. So globally for I use usually my indicators weekly is for the spot. Daily, 12 time frame, and hour time frames, it's for intraday and swing positions. So weekly time frame, of course, the whales accumulate, but they not chase like 10x, 50x, I don't know, 1000x. No, they more than enough will be with the double X. So I will be not surprised if, for example, at 1280 their average entry, and at 25 at the break of structure, we will see the pullback because they will withdraw initial deposit. So now on the daily, some guys who opened the futures trades start fix a profit. Take profit, I already showed you. Trade on, guys. The last one indicator, it was a buy. Local one, no signal to sell. Let's add alert on 12 time frame. We saw the signal to sell. Let's add alert. Take profit on trade on from the buy. From the last signal to buy was here. So in average, it could be like 13. After that, 11.95, 10.37. So average entry can be like 11.53. So I will be not surprised if we'll see the pullback down, bounce, and 22 at 20 cents, we start see the signal to take profit from the buy signal. So this is it, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like to trade as my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.